Dedication and forward. Dedication. To those who have held me, and those who have let me go, and to my Keith, who still holds my heart. Forward by Sunette Lombard. Reconnecting with a kindred spirit after decades apart is a rare privilege. I first met Elmarie Arnold in the early days of our journalism careers, when she stood out as a gifted young journalist. Our paths crossed again 35 years later on a bus tour amidst Namaqualand's vibrant flower season, rekindling our bond. As we shared stories and passions, our mutual respect for life's mysteries resonated deeply. But little did I know that our synchrony was only the prelude to an odyssey of magic and wonder. When Elmarie asked me to proofread her memoir, I was honored and humbled. Over the next 6 weeks, I witnessed her lyrical prose and intuitive insights unfold, masterfully weaving 88 exquisite snapshots that illuminate the complexities of her life as an adoptee. Her bravery in sharing her truth is a beacon of hope for those navigating the fragile landscape of the human condition. I'm thrilled to introduce you to Elmarie's powerful debut memoir. May her words ignite a spark within you, inspiring you to live authentically in a world that often dictates conformity. Sunette Lombard.